Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you the new way to do principal signature. Principal signature has been removed from section performance to its own so that the principal can do a signature not for each child but every class at once. Now this is a new feature, so we urge you to subscribe to our channel so that when new videos pop up, you get to know how to use the system without you know delaying. The world is ever changing, so we're going to change our systems to suit customers feedback at all times, to suit your feedback at all times. Therefore, subscribe to our channel and share our videos to your staff so that they can, and tell them to subscribe so that they can also get videos immediately we drop them, so that they'll know have problem when using our school management system. So if I'm a staff that's allowed to do signature for principal, or I have the role to do signature for principal, it's a very simple step. What you do, go on that examination, look for the menu called result settings. So we now have that after broadsheet, we have what we call result settings. Click on it if you have the role. Click on principal signature. Now, to get the principal signature, click on add signature. So come here, click on third term. Now I can add one class, which is level 1 and third term. Let's say first term. Now you can add more than one class. And when you do this, all results that you print should have the signature of the principal. Now we have two kinds of signature. We have supervisors, which is the head teacher. Some people call it something else, but will guide you on which are result template houses principal and supervisor. So we have level 1, you have level 2, you have level 3, you have grade 1, you have grade 2. So we choose first term. Now in case we choose principal signature, choose the name of the principal, Mr. Principal. There's some result template that have the principal's name. It shows the principal's name. There's some doesn't. So, but it's a compulsory field. You must fill the name of the principal. Then you now write the. So the principal must have had the signature. Let's click here. Let's assume there's a signature of the principal. Open here. Then all these will be saved. And then successfully go back to result settings, principal signature, and you see the signature that we added for first term level 1 down here. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. Share and to people that you believe will love this video and want to use it and apply it in their school. Thank you for watching.